Hey, do you like to fantasize? Okay. Do you like pets? Okay. Do you like extinct pets? That's okay too. Are you friends with the winged? Okay. Are you friends with the winged lunch? Okay, okay. Want to create a new color? New glasses? A new you? It's all okay. Making up your own rules? Okay. Paving new roads? Okay. Do you want to make a surprise? In the mood for a prank? With Hey Clay, everything is okay. Just roll the ball and start to sculpt. Choose a color, start to create. With the Hey Clay app, sculpting is easy. And gathering collections is fun. Clay and play. Clay and amaze. Clay and collect! Hey, Clay! Clay anyway!